Hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine. In this video we are going to make YouTube thumbnail. The software which we are going to use, its name is Canva. Canva is the best editor, online editor for all kinds of logos, WhatsApps, image, Facebook ads, everything you can make on Canva. Today we are going to make thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. How to make? Let's start. First of all, you have to make account your Canva, and then you have to come on home button, and then you have to search social media. In social media you have to find YouTube thumbnail option. So here it is, we are slide it in the right way. There is YouTube thumbnail, create blank, and let's we have thousands of designs. Some are free, some are paid, and some are uh, pro Canva ठीक है items. So that is here are the templates, designs, whatever you say them. Here are thousands of designs for gaming thumbnails, for tech video thumbnails, facts video thumbnails. However, in this video we are going to make a tech thumbnail, so we have to choose our tech thumbnail design. In this we have many tech designs, so let me choose one. Into Let me choose it. Yes, this is simple, earn money more. Okay, then we have to edit. So here is some picture which is paid. They are saying remove watermark, so we have to delete it. So we have simple, so we can now choose a thumbnail. We have to go on pixels. Here is a pixels option, so pixels, and search a tech wallpaper. Okay, then search it. Here are thousands of free templates you can buy. So here I am going to unblur image. Okay, my thumbnail is related to it. So here we can choose a picture. Yes, so I am choosing that picture, perfect for my thumbnail. So here it is. So I will write here how to, and here I am going to unblur, how to unblur image. Okay, image unblur. I have to check my spelling unblur for that, if I am wrong or not. Here I search unblur image. Okay, spellings are correct. So here it is. You can change the color. This item is should be here, and this we should here. Now you can change the text color. Here you have to click on that, and you can choose here many of colors. If there are not your desired color, click on plus, and you can generate your own desired color. So I will keep the same. There is also colors, and there is, I think, yes, we have to adjust it. Let's size. Here you can manually decrease or increase the size of your text. So I can try to rotate it. So here is little bit rotate. Okay, that's it. So here is the thumbnail we have make. So come on, share, click on download, and click on download, or you have to choose your category of your image jpg, png, pdf print, pdf print. So I jpg and download, and they are saying you have one item that is premium content. So we have to find that content, and then after it we have to come again on share and try to download it again, and it will works. So here we have to find item, we have to remove that wallpaper, and it should be a item behind the this image. So we have to find it and delete it, and then we have to again come on share and download it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure, if you are new on my thumbnail, oh sorry, YouTube channel, you have to subscribe it, press the bell icon, and then for wait next video. Thank